Hey guys, bit of a different video today. A life update on the prusa. Bad. I had a pretty big fail of a print last night, which woke up to horrible noises. Pretty much I had a case to print for a friend, white PLA, ready, loaded, printer bed, cleaned, applied a layer of glue, like literally everything was ready for this print. Started it, watched the first layer print beautifully, and then I went to bed because it was like 1 a.m. So then I wake up at like 3 a.m. because the printer is making crazy noises, and I wake up, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, to an absolute mess on the extruder head. Basically, the part unstuck itself, and because the extruder is still hot, right, all the material stuck to it, and it kept printing and just becoming this bulbous thing around the nozzle. So that's disgusting. These are all the pieces I was able to get off. Able to get off last night, and there is still a bunch more that I need to remove. Good thing nothing happened to my Pinda sensor. This poor little guy went through a lot last night. But if it focused, it was bad. There's still all this white stuff here I need to remove. So I think the only thing I can do, because it's PLA, it doesn't dissolve in acetone, and plus, like, I can't even use acetone on this because a lot of the parts are printed in ABS. So the only thing I really can do is raise the Z-axis all the way up, heat up my nozzle, and just chip away at it with some pliers and stuff until it all comes off, and then clean it with some isopropyl. So there's my life update. Other than that, the prusa has been doing well, but not looking forward to this mess. Good gosh.